नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू पीपीटी न्यूज चैनल. This is your own English news channel where we bring you every latest news of your local area. PPT News aim is to make your area's voice reach the world. Bring to you news related to your area, administrative updates, and every small and big information of public interest in a simple and accurate manner. Our specialty is correct, unbiased, and latest information, whether it is development plans of your area, social issues, or special events of your area. PPT News is always with you. MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan, along with senior officials, reviewed the sewage and drinking water system. Permanent solution to sewage and drinking water problem in Charkhi Dadri city will be done within 6 months. MLA gave instruction Charkhi Dadri in order to take forward his resolution letter by MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan. Now permanent solution to drinking water and sewage system will be done in Dadri city. Due to the efforts, the MLA senior officials of the Public Health Department reached Dadri from Chandigarh, and a master plan was prepared by taking stock of the permanent solution to drinking water and sewerage system with MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan. The MLA directed the officials to find a permanent solution to the sewerage system before the rainy season and to provide clean drinking water by solving the drinking water problem during the next 6 months. Let us tell you that MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan had recently discussed the sewerage and drinking water problem of Charkhi Dadri city with senior officials including Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini in Chandigarh. Regarding this, Chief Engineer of Public Health Department Pradeep Punia, Superintendent Engineer Dalbir Singh, Executive Engineer Sohan Lal, beside J. Vicky Jawla and Dhirendra Sangwan reached Dadri on Friday and discussed about the upcoming projects with MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan in the camp office. Later, the top officials along with the MLA inspected the sewer and drinking water system by visiting Loharu Chowk, Mahendragarh Chowk, Kalyana Road, Kabir Nagar, New Anaj Mandi and Sabji Mandi of Charkhi Dadri city, including the inner areas of the city. During this, the official assured the MLA that before the rainy season, a permanent solution to the entire sewer system will be found at many places where sewer lines will not be laid at this same time. Work will soon start on providing clean drinking water by replacing the old drinking water lines. MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan said that a resolution letter for development was issued at the time of elections. Work has started on the ground. Regarding the same, he told that a permanent solution to sewerage and clean drinking water will be found in the next 6 months. In this regard, the officials of the concerned department have been instructed to complete their work in regulated time with authenticity. The ground is per the master plan. He also said that in the coming days, development will be visible on the ground in Dadri area. Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini is serious about the development of Dadri constituency along with the entire state. This is the region-wide development is gaining momentum in Dadri. National Lok Adalat will be organized in the judicial complex today. Pending cases will be resolved by mutual consent. National Lok Adalat will be organized in the district judicial complex today under the chairmanship of District Legal Services Authority Chairman and District and Session Judge Naresh Kumar. Secretary of District Legal Services Authority and CGM Sanjeev Kajla said that all types of cases like motorcycle vehicle, check bounce, bank recovery, electricity related, water related, telephone related, matrimonial related, criminal appeal, traffic challan, MV Act cases Adi will be capped in this Lok Adalat. Through National Lok Adalat, people can easily settle their pending cases by mutual consent. Only those cases are capped in Lok Adalat which can be resolved by the consent of both the parties at the same time. An appeal cannot be filed in the higher court against the decision given in the National Lok Adalat. In this cases capped in Lok Adalat, both the parties win and money and times are saved. At the same time, the feeling of brotherhood increases by forgetting mutual discrimination in social concerns, which is also followed by under people. He appealed to the people related to the cases pending in various courts to take advantage of the National Lok Adalat by getting their cases settled through National Lok Adalat. Sports goods will be made available to Gram Panchayat and municipal bodies. In reference to the Haryana Gazette notification extraordinary. Under the Sports Department Haryana, the Haryana government, in order to attract the youth of rural areas and municipal bodies towards sports, to promote the famous sports in their areas and to protect the players from bad habits like drugs, the sports good described under the Haryana provision of sports equipment scheme 2024 and 25 scheme are to be made available to the Gram Panchayats and municipal bodies by the government. Giving information about this, district sports officer Sindhu Bala said that under the scheme, sports good will be given to the panchayat and municipal bodies on fulfilling the prescribed conditions. This scheme has been set for the financial year 2024-2025 will be valid till 31 March 2025. Under this scheme, if instructed panchayats and municipal bodies want to get sports equipment like volleyball, football, basketball, handball, boxing, wrestling, judo and cricket adi on the basis of the sports prevalent in their area and the available playgrounds, then can obtain the application form by appearing in the office of the sports officer on any working day. The rules and conditions of the scheme will be made available on the sport or can be downloaded from the department's website Haryana SPO sportsgov.in. So tuned with us, subscribe to PPT News channel to see every news of your first. Press the bell icon because this is your local voice, global reach. Please tell us in the comment how you like our news and which news related to your area you want to see. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. See ya. नमस्कार.